guys, so right now I'm taking a night bike ride. So that's why I have my helmet on. I'm turning around right here. So yeah, that's what I use. And yeah, I'm turning around. Sorry if the camera quality's bad, but be a maverick, boy. Oh. But yeah, so I'm driving my bike around for a night ride. And I'm gonna do daily vlogging. 100 vlogs is my goal. 100 vlogs in a row is my goal. So yeah, let's try to get at least 100 subs until 2018. So yeah, that's my goal. So yeah, see you guys and peace. So I'm just making a outro for this. No, basically an outro. So yeah, see you guys. Peace.